Good morning, everyone. This is Vasu Godabally. I'm doing my executive MBA at NEC College, and this is my second semester, and it was going so good so far. And coming to my introduction, I'm currently working as a quality engineer at Walmart Labs, located in Bentonville, Arkansas. So, coming to my coursework, currently I'm working on courses like marketing strategies, and the other course is accounting for leaders. So, coming to the utilization of these courseworks in my projects and the points what I have learned is like first thing coming go is discussing about marketing strategies. So in marketing strategies means this is mainly like used to build a development plan or strategy for the companies to guide their development, and there are different points which we need to take into consideration when we are doing a marketing plan, such as like what are the different phases of the process, how marketing information systems are used to help the analyze those data, and to like articulate the limitations for that particular search. And there are different kinds of data like primary and secondary data that we need to consider while we are trying to overcome some faults. And main process what we use this is like garbage in garbage out, which is called GIGO, which helps us to carefully reconsider the plan and design for our course or companies. So coming to the other point, like it mainly helps us to describe how consumers behave and what are the issues related to it, and it helps us to summarize that consumers buying process and organizations buying process, and how we are making our sales go up, like using different strategies like psychological influences and social marketing influences. And mainly here we consider the four P's of the marketing. They are called like product, price, place, and promotion. And coming to the next point, like it helps us to recognize like how the information is helpful to target that specific kinds of audience in the different kinds of people, like Amazon, Walmart, Facebook, Google, iPhone, Apple. So all these have different their marketing in different countries and having the different marketing strategies to increase their sales. And like some other points like market segmentation, like where we see how buyers are behaving and what they need and what they want, and how are we gonna be able to uh, make those buyers needs completed and achieved, and how can we help them the better to boost our market. And some also marketing strategies like marketing segmentation is mainly related to like organization strategy, and psychological segmentation is more important to do marketing in the environment. So when coming to the my second course, which is accounting for leaders. So this is a managerial account, mainly focuses this on the financial data to help managers and other internal users in the business to make decisions. So most of this is built in on understanding of costs. That's why it is called accounting. And coming to the first point, cost of accounting system, which is also called as process cost system. There are similar products that being manufactured continuously in the market. So the purpose of this cost accounting systems is to gather the costs and the detailed information about the manufacturing costs, and then which can be helpful for us to be used to set the price of the product while we are releasing in the market. And there are few points that we mainly consider in while we are doing the accounting. First point is like activity based costing. So it is the best way to allocate like manufacturing overhead costs. So it attempts to allocate like these costs in like most precise manner, because it first assigns the prices to the cost to the activities that are the ones causing overhead, and then which we were proceeding we're proceeding again to activity cost to the products that demand these activities. And the other points like and cost behavior and how it can be used for us to predict the future cost of that particular product when we're releasing in the market. And some other points like cost volume profit analysis, which is called CVP analysis. So this is mainly about like how we carefully study the volume of the sales or the products which we are in production, and what are the expenses that we have, and what are the costs, and how much profit are we going to make, and the price charges like are very reasonable for us to interact. So and you can also use it as an assess for business decisions. And another term and point is like budgeting. So like every company's plan, everything goes every year will be as a financial planning. So and that is related with the cost, that's why we call it as budgeting. So these budgets mostly are focused on areas of like sales, production, material, labor, overhead, and many others, which lead us to prepare budgeting income related statements, and which we release every year for the companies, that is called fiscal year, in which we use those budgets to give productive output. So these two courses are really helpful for me to analyze like how these things are working. So yeah, this is a great thing to be working on this course. Thank you.